D for duck, duck. D for duck. D for dog, D for drum, D for drum. D for donkey, donkey, D for donkey. D for doll, doll, D for doll. D for dice, dice, D for dice. D for deep, deep, D for deep. D for dustbin, dustbin, D for dustbin. D for day, day, D for day. D for dove, D for dove. D for desk, desk, D for desk. D for dolphin, dolphin, D for dolphin. D for deer, D for Dubai, D for Dubai. बच्चों एक बार मेरे साथ मिलकर पढ़ें। D for duck, D for dog, D for drum, D for donkey, D for doll, D for dice, D for deep, D for dustbin, D for day, D for duck, D for desk, D for dolphin, D for deer, and D for Dubai. E for egg, E for elephant, E for elephant. E for eagle, E for eagle. E for eyes, E for eyes. E for ear, E for ear. E for ego, E for ego. E for emerald, E for emerald. E for eyelash, E for eyelash. E for elbow, E for elbow. E for eyebrows, E for eyebrows. E for England, E for England. E for egg yolk, E for egg yolk. E for Europe, E for Europe. E for elevator. Elevator. E for elevator. बच्चों एक बार मेरे साथ मिलकर पढ़ें। E for egg. E for elephant. E for eagle. E for eyes. E for ear. E for ego. E for emerald. E for eyelash. E for elbow. E for eyebrows. E for England. E for egg yolk. E for Europe. E for elevator. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel. इसी तरह बच्चों के लिए नई और दिलचस्प वीडियो देखने के लिए नीचे दिए गए सब्सक्राइब के बटन को दबाएं और साथ दिए गए घंटी के बटन को दबाना ना भूलें। शुक्रिया।